Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. So this is question asked in CSAT paper 2014. A worker reaches his factory 3 minutes late if his speed from his house to factory is 5 kilometers per hour. If he walks at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour, then he reaches the factory 7 minutes early. The distance of the factory from the house is. The distance of the factory from the house is C. A worker reaches his house C. This is factory and this is house, right? A worker reaches his factory 3 minutes late if speed from his house to factory is 5 kilometers per hour. See, house to factory is moving at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, right? And he reaches 3 minutes late. Let's say he reaches in a time t, right? When he travels 5 kilometers per hour, he reaches 3 minutes late. That is t late, t plus 3 minutes, 3 minutes late, right? He reaches now. And if he walks at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour, अगर वही speed होगा, right? See, this is factory and this is house, right? If the speed is 6 kilometers per hour, 6 kilometers per hour, then he reaches factory 7 minutes early. 7 minutes early, that is, see, original time is t, right? If we take normal t में पहुंचता है, तो he will reach early, that is t minus 7. T minus 7 minutes early he reaches, right? Then the distance of the factory from the house is. So now we know speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Now, see, distance between house and factory is same, right? Let's take it as d, right? The distance between house and factory, that is d, right? The distance. Here also, d is the distance and the distance is same between house and factory. Distance doesn't change. So now, see, speed is c. If he is going, so if we apply this formula here, that is, speed is 5 kilometer per hour is equal to distance, that is d by time. See, time is t plus 3 minutes है. अब minutes को we need to convert it into hours because here it is given in kilometers per hour. So to convert into minutes into hours, you will divide it by c. जैसे 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Right? अब 60 minutes को you need to convert it into hours. So what you do? You divide 60 divided by 60, right? So that will give 1 hour, right? So you will divide by 60 to convert minutes to hours, right? Now here also, see, if he is traveling at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour, 6 kilometers per hour, same speed is equal to distance by, so distance is d divided by t is t minus, see, 7 minutes to hours, so 7 by 60. You will convert it into hours. Now see, d is same. See, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So d is same. So that is d is equal to, from here, this is 5 into t plus 3 by 60 is equal to, here also d is equal to 6 into t minus 7 by 60, right? 7 by 60. Now see, 5t plus 15 by 60 is equal to 60 minus 6 sevens are 42 divided by 60. So that is 5t. If we bring it this side, right? So this is 60 minus 5t is equal to, see, 15. This comes this side. So this is 15 by 60 plus 42 by 60. Right? So that is t is equal to 57 by 60. Right? From here we got t is equal to 57 by 60. So we need to find out distance. So let's put this t in this or this equation. We will get the d. So that is, so here let's put it here. So 5 into t is 57 by 60 plus t by 60 is equal to d, right? Basically we are putting it in this equation, right? So d is equal to 5 into t plus 3 by 60. So this is 5 into, see, this is 53. So 60 by 60 is equal to D. So 60, 60 cancel. So D is equal to 5 kilometers. So distance between factory from the house, that D is 5 kilometers. Option C is the answer. Right? So with the simple formula of speed is equal to distance by time, we can calculate this question.